Hey hookers! Okay, this is what you need to get started. Nothing less, nothing more. I recommend you buy this yarn. It comes in all different colors. It's Charisma yarn by Loops and Threads. There's a little image for you. And you can get it, come on, you can get it at Michael's, Amazon. So it's called Charisma. Comes in all different colors. This is great starting yarn. Second, get a tapestry needle with a bend. Third, get a cute pair of little scissors. Fourth, get a tape measure. Does not have to be cupcake, but could be. And 5, get some hooks, hooker. Now, I recommend that you start with a 6 or a 6.5 millimeter. I love a 5.0 or a 5.5, really useful. And that would be my recommendation to start with. There's a kit on Amazon. I would buy that. It's about, I don't know, $8 to $10 and it'll get you started. Only thing about that kit is that the tapestry needles that come in it are straight. And I'm recommending you use a bend. More info on that later. Gotta go. Bye.